Once upon a time, there were pigeons. They lived in a big trees in a quiet forest. The birds were happy and sang all day. They built nests and laid little eggs. The eggs were safe. But one day, a bad snake came. The snake was hungry. He climbed up the tree and ate the eggs. The bird cried, "Oh no! The snake ate our eggs. We are not safe anymore," said another bird. The birds flew to their friend, the clever fox. "Please help us," they said. "The snake is eating our eggs." The fox smiled and said, "I have a smart plan." The fox told them, "Every day a princess comes to there. She takes a bath there and puts her gold necklace on a rock. You birds will take her necklace and drop it near the snake's hole." The birds nodded. "Yes, let's do it." The next day, the birds waited near the river. Soon the princess came. She took off her gold necklace and went into the water. Quickly the bird flew down, picked up the necklace and flew away. The bird flew to the forest and dropped the necklace near the snake's hole. The princess saw her necklace was gone. "My necklace!" she cried. The guards followed the bird's path. Soon they saw the necklace near the snake's hole. The guards shouted, "There is it!" The guards caught the snake and killed it. The birds were happy. "No more snake," they chirped. "Our eggs are safe now." They flew to the fox and said, "Thank you, clever fox, you saved us." Moral of the story: be clever, help your friends.